In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix CapCut Pro effects not showing. If your Pro effects have disappeared or won't load, it's usually because the app's temporary files got cluttered or a local cache didn't refresh correctly. We're going to clear that up on mobile first, then check a caching setting in the desktop app. Follow along and you should see your effects return. On your phone, start by opening the device settings. The exact labels vary by phone, but look for something like apps, applications, or app management. Find CapCut in the list and open it. Now tap storage. You'll see two actions here, clear cache and clear data. Tap clear cache first to wipe temporary files, then tap clear data. Clearing data resets the app's local configuration and can remove old corrupted entries that block your effects from appearing. Just a heads up, this will reset in-app preferences and may sign you out, and any locally stored assets might need to re-download. That's normal and part of the fix. Once that's done, open CapCut again from your home screen. Give it a moment on first launch since it may rebuild its resources. Head to your effects panel and let the thumbnails populate. If you're connected to the internet, Pro assets should reappear as the app refreshes its content. The brief delay here is a good sign. CapCut is recreating a clean cache and indexing your effects properly. Now, if you're using the desktop app, there's a quick setting to check as well. Open CapCut on your computer and go to Settings. In the sidebar or tabs, select Performance. Look for a control labeled Rendering Cache Size and click it. Opening this option prompts CapCut to evaluate how it's using disk space for cached previews and effect data. This helps the app rebuild or refresh what it needs to render Pro effects correctly. After you click it, give CapCut a moment to settle. Return to your project and visit the effects panel to see if the missing items are now visible. You don't need to change anything else. Surfacing that option is enough to trigger a refresh on many systems. That's it. By clearing the cache and data on mobile and by opening the rendering cache size option in the desktop app's performance settings, you're giving CapCut a clean slate to load and display your Pro effects. If you follow these steps patiently and allow a little time for assets to rebuild, your effects should be back and ready to use.